In today's video, I'll show you how to find and copy Calendly link. It sounds simple, but Calendly actually gives you two different links, and picking the wrong one is why people end up confused. So let's clear that up. Let's jump in. I'm logged into Calendly and sitting on my scheduling page. This is where all of your links live, and you don't need to go digging through settings for any of them. This card right here is my event type, the 30-minute meeting. Every event type you create gets its own booking link, completely separate from the others. And copying it is genuinely this easy. There's a copy link button sitting right on the card, so I'll click it, and that's done. The link is now on my clipboard, ready to paste anywhere I want, into an email, a message, or the bottom of my email signature. Now, what that link actually does is important. It takes someone straight to a booking page for this specific meeting type. They pick a time, they book, done. No menu, no choosing. But here's the second link, and this is the one people get mixed up. Look up next to my name, and there's a Share Options button. Inside there, I've got another copy link, and this one is completely different. This is my landing page link, my whole Calendly profile. Anyone who opens it sees every event type I've got and picks the one they want themselves. So which one should you use? If you only want someone booking one specific kind of meeting, send them the event type link from the card. If you'd rather let them choose, send the landing page link instead. And if you want to see what that page actually looks like first, View Landing Page right there opens it up. So that's it. Head to your scheduling page, hit Copy Link on the card for a single event type, or use Share Options next to your name for your full landing page. Then just paste it wherever you need it. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.